So Boracay is beautiful anyways. So the water's beautiful. A little body surfing here. And it's a nice day today in the neighborhood. Yeah. Very beautiful. We met some people from Russia today. Very nice. Visitors, very nice young family. And we're here at the ocean. The water was a little more clear yesterday, but hey, it's nice. It's a little more cold today, a little bit. I don't have the leash on Beebop, so if she flies off, she's going to be like swimming in the ocean. Do not fly off, Beebop. Do not fly off. It's really a nice day today. There's some kids over there playing like frisbee or something. I'm not sure what it is. There's a few people swimming. It's really nice. Actually, it's nice when Boracay is not so crowded. I like that one. I'm on an island with not too many people, so it's very beautiful. Some years, about this time, there's a lot of algae in the water. When the water gets real warm, there's like an algae. It's a green algae, and it goes on the beach. Actually, it's been coming here thousands of years, and that's how the sand is so white and beautiful, is in part by the algae. It gets into the sand and it actually purifies the sand. Coming to the island now, it's a very drop in the people. You come on the island, they do lots of screening with a temp of heavy investigations. So we're here in the ocean hanging out on a beautiful day, right, Beebop? I got the boogie board here. Woo! Got the boogie. Whoa! Got the boogie board. And the waves are very small. We like big waves. She doesn't like cold water, and guess what? Today's cold water, so she better not fly off me. She'll be screaming. It'd be kind of fun to video her like screaming, like ah, so cold, Dada, help me. She's very cold.